Walk faster. You know what today is, guys? Huh?
Nature.
Today's Sunday, right? That's right. Family Day. Yeah, Family Day. So right now it's about like 3 p.m. Alaska time, Anchorage time. So we're just gonna enjoy the nature, do a nature walk. You know, me, you, our kids. You know, let's go, guys. Yeah, check out the leaves. It's autumn right now. Fall season. It's beautiful, right? Yellow leaves falling down.
It's fall.
Yeah, it's a little colder inside the woods. Oh, hey, bring Sinclair. I'll take Sinclair. Come on, Sinclair. Come on. You want to come Sinclair? Okay. Feels good to take a day off from work, right? Come here, Azzy, let's go. Alright guys, if you guys want to like relieve the stress from work and everything, you know, from drama, life, you know, money problems and everything, just go out in nature, you know, have some walk. You know, it takes only what, 30 minutes a day? 2 days a week? It doesn't take a lot of time, right? Yeah, come on. Hey, don't let him go. Don't do that. He's gonna fall down.
He's falling down too. I got
A lot of leaves. That's right. Azzy's having fun, right, Azzy? Yay! You having fun? Look at that. Look at the view, guys. Look at the view. It's beautiful, right? Awesome. Yeah. Fall season. Beautiful.
So nice. Look at that. So nice. Look. Oops. Wow. I see.
This one. Yay! Hello! Ah!
I see. Come here. Oh. It's the first day of fall, right, babe?
No, second day because
Oh, it's the second day.
second day because when I played my Starfall game, I saw Assy playing on it,
Then
and he go to the calendar, and it's the first day of fall. It said.
okay.
Yeah, now it's the second day.
Tara.
Shortcut.
Oh, look at that.
That's right, guys. Be one with nature, okay?
Beware from bears
Beware from bears, yeah, that's right.
and moose. Hide behind a big tree, or go behind a parked car if you see a moose, or Or if you see a bear, just back up
Ssybieh school
slowly.
has nature walk every Wednesday.
Wednesday.
So he knows what to do every nature walk.
And we go to the misty, moisty meadows and play there.
Oh yeah.
There's like a grass thing, like a whole entire meadow, like it's bigger than the stick,
Like that.
bigger than my whole body, Mama.
Oh yeah.
Super big. It's bigger than the forest.
Okay.
Can
It's getting colder.
I see where's your stick? You need to find one. I see stick.
Go give him one.
No,
That's dirty.
that's mushrooms.
Babe, that's dirty.
Dirtier. Right side every time. Oh. Are these poisonous berries? No, don't eat them. Don't eat them.
Yeah.
Second day of fall.
Yeah.
Look.
Look at that.
Mama, Christmas.
Christmas is almost.
No, Mama, Christmas is. Mama, this is why Christmas is called Christmas.
Yeah.
God is Chris.
Yeah, Christ.
Christ, and his middle name is Chris.
No, it's Christ only. Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ, and then.
Babe, look at that. So nice.
And it almost sounds like Chris, so it's
Yeah.
Christmas, and then Miss God.
Yeah.
Like that, Christmas.
Oh, there's dog.
No.
Hi, dog. Hey, come here. Sassy. Not look sassy. No, it's okay. Come here. Falling leaves are falling down.
Like this seed.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
What?
One day at school, one day at school when I go to the first nature walk, we found an X in the rock.
Oh, okay.
I think somebody just drew that like
X.
that. I think somebody just drew that.
Yeah.
Mama, if you see anything, now I have a stick for a hand. And I'm old man. I'm turning into. I'm the old man. I'm the branch monster. I'm the old man. I'm branch monster. Old man.
Man, that was tiring. Whew. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, I have to say goodbye, okay? Because we just finished our nature walk today. And it was a long walk. I thought it was going to be a short one, but no. We had to go around the lake and back to the original destination. Okay? So I'll see you guys next week again. We'll have a new video. So yeah, if you haven't already, just subscribe to our channel and then, you know, just watch our videos, right? As a support, guys. And And that's it. I'm thankful for it. Okay? I'm catching my breath right now. So yeah, look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful, right? The leaves were falling. The breeze is so cool. Oh my God, it's so refreshing over here. Well, all right, bye.
Why it's called fall.
What are you doing?